there. So the story is that a few days ago we had rain and here in the Mojave Desert, and it flooded this whole entire gasoline station, as you can see here, out of service, and more water was still coming from somewhere over there, flooding the area. So I had to pull over and they actually pumped the water outside, like, see, into the desert. The guys over there probably paid to pump the water out. So yeah, we're gonna find out more of the area here since I'm doing the more exploring.